overall, I made only $3,000. So that's
Yeah.
all right. So I see a few minutes to the open, and most people are not trading today. Where is everybody? Where is everybody?
It's just a lot of people are taking the week off. AMD is looking pretty strong going into the open here.
Mm-hmm. I like the NVIDIA on a daily chart. See if you can get an opening range breakout on NVIDIA would be nice. Maybe through NVIDIA as well. AMD possibly for the breakout as well. NVIDIA has some big orders at 190.
Yeah. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
Right on a daily chart, NVIDIA, we still have the 190. A big order up there. See if you can get a good entry for the break of 190. Let's see how the open trades. Oh, it looks like it wants to go now. Huge order sitting at 190. Oh, there you go. It's gonna go. Maybe I should have jumped in there. 10 seconds.
Short some Tesla.
I'm gonna go long NVIDIA a little bit. I jumped in a little bit too early for the break of 190.
With some big orders at the downside.
Ooh, nice.
Wow, look at that pop on. Here we go.
Yeah. So now I'm partialing here, 190.75. So did you see that? That was a really
Yeah,
easy.
AMD's ripping too.
Yes.
Here we go. It's covering some Tesla. It's funny, you went for the long trade. I went for the short trade. There, Tesla's gone red. There we go. Beauty. Diddly doodly.
190.70. There's some big ask at 190.70. Oh, beautiful.
Just covered some more Tesla.
Yeah, daily chart looks great. Should have gone through NVDL though. Nice. 190.120, Gary. Good. I kind of jumped in a little too early because I was really feeling that I might not get.
You were jumping at the bit.
Is there any news on NVDA or no? I mean, is there any news on NVDA?
Yeah, I was wondering about that just before the open because all the semis looked really strong.
All right, so NVIDIA is coming back to my break-even point. Oh, Ayman had it too, huh? Ayman, you had it earlier. Why? What did you see?
I'm covering some more NVIDIA or Tesla, I should say, here. Might reverse here. All
right, NVIDIA is back to my break-even point. And and I should get out. All right, I'm getting stopped out on NVIDIA, guys. I'm all out. I gave a little profit back, but
Tesla's book still looks pretty bearish, but I've only got two puts left here. It's coming back to my break even.
so Sebastian, you should be able to change the screen between me and Brian. So there is an option that you can select which screen you see.
Yeah, up in the top left-hand corner.
There's still 191. There's some more there. I'll actually get back in NVDA at 190. Let me see if we can get a move toward 191 because there are some orders at 191. I got back in there, guys. Maybe I should do through NVIDIA as well.
Yeah, I'm out of Tesla short, so that worked out fairly well. Wow, AMD really round tripped. SPY has gone red. Qs have gone red.
I'm back long on NVIDIA at 190. See if we can actually go toward 191. That was one big ask on Atlas.
Well, I should have flipped my position on Tesla. Musk was saying that Tesla is now is no longer primarily a car company. It's a robot company.
He said that?
He did. Musk said that.
Well, I guess self-driving cars are robots, aren't they?
Well, yeah, that I think he included the self-driving car.
They're kind of robots.
But a lot of emphasis on Optimus. All right. Okay, so 920 on Tesla. Shorted it again.
Oh, so you're shooting Tesla? Ow, NVIDIA is dropping.
Ooh, beauty. What a beautiful 920. It was really early for a 920, but
I'm getting out of
take it.
NVIDIA, guys. I stopped out on NVIDIA. Oh, I gave all the profit back thanks to my decision making. I'm in the red now. But that would have been a nice break.
Yeah, I'm just covered that 920 trade. Came back down to yesterday's low. Oh, I'll take it. Wow, NVIDIA really reversed. Look at AMD. Look at this market selling off. Holy cow. Silver's going up. Hi-ho silver. And Jared's trading Netflix. Oh. You're just trying to beat silver down. They can't do it. Tesla looks like it wants to go lower. There's there are some big orders to the downside. It does look pretty bearish.
All right, so NVIDIA turned out to be completely bearish engulfing.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Situation is not good.
Okay. Well, this is where Gary goes long on the SPY. Kind of feels like Tesla's got another leg lower here, but it's not a great place to enter.
It's kind of flat. It's kind of flat, just below the VWAP. I don't like that. It seems choppy on Tesla.
Yeah, but it's got some big orders to the downside.
Nvidia is more
I
interesting.
just don't want to take a third trade on this.
Nvidia has some big beat down there at 188. $188.30. So it looks like Nvidia really wants to go. Why not shorting Nvidia, Ahmad? Because I don't know. It just opened very strong. It does look like a bearish engulfing. I don't want to short it right now because it looks like it is into some sort of support right now. Do you see these levels down here at 188, 189, and 188.70? It looks like a support area for me. If I short it, I'm afraid that it might squeeze. Although Atlas shows 188.30, there is big order there, but it's just I don't feel comfortable shorting it. So there's this order here for the short, but there is also this level, opened the strong, still is positive even though the market is red. Got a feeling telling me that, again, it's that experience that is telling me that this might not be a short. I might be wrong because this is a bearish engulfing, but it's not a bearish engulfing that I want to take a trade. You know what I mean? You have to put everything in the context. Like it's right now, we're trading right at the support. So it's now breaking. And you know, every time that it's hitting these levels, it pops back up. I don't see much of a weakness in there. It's selling off, but it's not. It's selling off with dignity. You know what I mean? It's not selling
Selling off with dignity.
I just made that up. I know. It's not a big person.
Yeah, I like that.
I have to create a trade book on that. Selling off with dignity.
You know, whatever you do in life, do it with dignity.
It's fighting back. You know, you really want to short something that is really falling down. It has no power. Like you really want to short something that is really beaten up, like no mercy. And this one is still has fighting.
Markets are trying to find a bottom here.
Right. So, Rocket Lab. What's Rocket Lab doing? Rocket Lab is selling off too. Without dignity. And PLTR, Paris PLTR.
Pfizer's hitting the scanner, so is TSM. Who had TSM on there? I think Phil had TSM on his watch list.
Yeah, trading terminal has only one level. It's access to everything. $99. If you want the futures data for Market Atlas, that's an additional subscription because there is a requirement by the CME Group exchange, but it's just one package for everything. And we added journaling tool as well, guys. I don't know if people can connect it. It's a soft launch, so you can connect your brokers in there. You have to connect your interactive brokers, Schwab, TD, everything in there. NVDA.
Markets took another leg there. Down.
All right, NVIDIA is really holding this support. What are these levels? These are yesterday high and 2 days ago high. It's really holding these levels, huh? If anything, I kind of, this 188.30 level is bearish on Atlas. SPY, what's Q's doing? NVIDIA, something is telling me I should go long NVIDIA. Am I crazy if I go long NVIDIA, Brian?
The market's still in trending down.
Yeah, I know.
It is kind of. Here goes. See, I knew Tesla had more downside.
Tesla. What did the AMD do?
There's a big order building on Tesla at. I think it kind of followed NVIDIA. It's a big order at 453 now.
Ah man, I was up. I'm down $3,000 on this second trade. I shouldn't have traded that. All right, so NVIDIA sold off. NVIDIA might go red actually. Let me see. Yeah, so 188.30 hit that. Trader Troy. Trader Troy, are you Matthew? Yes, your name was Matthew. You got the $10,000 funded account profit. Are you the same person or you're a different person? Am I losing my mind slowly? Trader Troy. Yes. You are Matthew, yes?
You're losing track of who you're writing checks to?
I know. No, I know Trader Troy had some big profits. I don't remember. So Brian, we survived another year, huh?
Yeah, it seemed that way.
What a year 2025 was.
What a year. Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, Hector, I got that Tesla drop again. Wasn't quite as dramatic today, but it's nice that it gave me a second opportunity there of that rejection at the 20 EMA. I don't know where the spine cues are going. Maybe S3. We got pretty close to SPY on S3. Got another point to drop on the cues to get to S3. So that R4 level on the cues, and we got above R4 on the SPY, but well, that was quite the transition. Wow.
All right, so if you zoom in on Atlas,
yeah, we might be getting. This might be an area
of bounce home
where we're going to hold, but I wouldn't take an entry here unless we got to S3 on SPY or the Qs for a long. AMD is moving back up nicely.
Nvidia is gonna bounce. I knew it. But I'm not taking a trade. But Tesla looks like, oh, Tesla is disgusting, man. That's the most disgusting chart of Tesla I've ever seen in my life. It's butchery. Jared, what did you trade? SPY? Guys, actually, I'm very admiring dedication of the people who are in the chat room. I love that. Last day is still trading. Like, I was so tempted to stay in bed. You know, I was tired. And it was foggy out of Vancouver. It's so foggy. And last year, I said, oh man, just stay in bed. Don't go for trading. Nobody cares. Nobody's trading. I have to walk out in cold and dark. But I am actually really inspired by 585 of you in the chat room. I love that we're doing this. What is Peter doing?
Yeah, I know. I know you can't really have a 920 trade after 6 minutes. Doesn't really fit with the pattern. You really need a longer. But when you get such a big drop at the open, the 9 and the 20 really do open up the distance between the two EMAs. Wow, look at AMD went to high of day.
Oh, Andy's staying strong, huh? Maybe we should take it.
Yeah. Well, it sold off with NVIDIA, but it turned around and went higher. NVIDIA actually looks like it's going to hit lower here.
I want to get a bounce on NVIDIA. I don't know where exactly. Maybe at the previous day close.
So we bounced on the averages here. We bounced right pretty close to the 9 EMA and rejected. So let's see if we get some bottoming action here on the indexes.
It looks like NVIDIA looks like a really bottoming action. I'm going to get long on AMD. Sorry,
It does.
188.
It does kind of look, yeah. It's still green. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that along with you.
See if you can get to 189. Looks like a double bottom. Although I think it's a little bit early, but oh, SPY bounced back.
The SPY and the Qs are going now. They're through the 9 EMA. That's good news. We're coming up to the VWAP now on SPY. Probably get a rejection here. Still a big order on NVIDIA at 188.
Yeah, there's this big order at 188 sitting.
35,000 shares. But there is some orders on the upside too. There's a big order at 190. It's quite a ways from where we are now. Look at that. Then put a rejection on the SPY right at VWAP. Wow, AMD's the place to be long.
Where, huh? Yeah, AMD just stays strong.
Let's see if we hold here. See if this is a higher low on NVIDIA.
Yeah, NVIDIA needs this candlestick closes. If it doesn't make a new low, maybe it pops back up. But it's not a great trade, honestly. This is not a A plus. This is not even a B trade, I think.
No.
We are in some sort of a support, but
Well, we bounced back. We bounced back after that VWAP rejection.
let's say if this 10 seconds market makes a new high or no. And this candlestick 5-minute candlestick closes now.
I think this trade's looking pretty good. I'd be happy if we got to 189.
189 it is.
That's where yesterday's high was. Okay, the SPY's through the VWAP now, and now the Qs are coming up to the VWAP. Here we go. See, we're making money. We're coming up with dignity too here.
It's trying to come up with dignity.
What did Paris look like? He took a short on something. What was that, Paris?
It's short.
That was a PLTR. Nice. Yeah, everything. T could have shorted almost anything at the open.
I'm getting out of my NVIDIA slowly position. I don't know. I have too much share size. I shouldn't have that many shares of NVIDIA in this morning. I don't want to ruin my 2025. I just keep 1,000 share maybe. Because I don't want to get.
Hector got you a shirt. Did you see that? Did you see the shirt that Hector made you?
Yeah, setting up with dignity. That was so funny. No, but you get what I'm saying. You know, something is selling off, but it's not selling off. Like it's like, you know, you really want to be brutal in the market. When something is selling off, is weak, you just want to short it, like it's beaten up. Like imagine there's a fight in the street and somebody is really like lost it. You don't want to go and hey, no, please don't hit it. No, you all want to be that person to hit that beaten up guy. So that's how trading is. You have to find that beaten up thing and just join the group. I'm getting out of NVIDIA completely, guys. I'm all out of it. So you want to be that person, you know, you want to be that person that somebody's dead, you're just beating it up. That's how short selling is. You know, you want to find something weak and short it. I know it doesn't feel ethical, but that's how trading is. You have to beat something up really bad if you want to short it.
Yeah, I don't know, trader Troy. It does. Yeah, we got a rejection on the Qs now, right at the VWAP. Man, these levels are really being respected today. Wow.
Yeah. I think it's a better example. It's the last day of the year, so we can use unusual examples. I'm all out of India, guys. I'm all out. I really didn't like this trade.
I'm still in it. So it's just below my break even. As long as it holds above this 188.25, I have very small size on it, so.
Nike's garbage. What's Tesla doing?
Yeah, I'm getting out. I am out of it. Getting out of it. It's looking like it's heading lower.
Tesla is
There is a big order at 188. It looks like we're heading to now.
Brian, you want to do the meetup in Austin?
Yeah,
What year?
let's do it.
What year? January, maybe the weekend of Saturday 17. What do you think about that?
Um, Saturday, the 17th.
Yeah. Because I'm thinking of moving to Austin, living in Austin. Because I want to go check out
So,
the city.
sure.
January 17.
Let's go. I know Jared's keen.
John, are you coming? Yes. Okay, so let's set up a meetup on January 17th.
It's not that warm in Austin. You realize that. It's not any warmer than it is here.
That's even better. At least it's
It's
sunny.
a, it's a little bit. It's a little bit. Oh, wait a sec. Since it's only 7 degrees there right now, centigrade, that is. But it's going to be up at 23, and then oh, the weather's crazy.
I honestly, last night
Anyway,
I was last night Vancouver was dark. Vancouver is foggy. Like have you seen the movie The Mist?
yeah,
You go there, like there's animals coming from hell. Like it's exact Vancouver is like that. And I was walking alone, and it was me and some homeless guys, and I was wondering, what am I doing here? Like I have so much money, I can be anywhere. What am I doing here in this zombie apocalypse? Like how many days I have left in my life? Like, like and right now it's so foggy, Vancouver. Oh, it's not even snowing. If it was snowing, it was nice. We could go, throw a snowball or something. It's foggy and dark, and there zombies are walking. And like, what am I doing here?
zombies. Well, it does warm up quite a bit during the day. Now it looks like Nvidia's coming up.
Nvidia, yeah, it looks like it wants to pop up, but I'm not going to be in there.
Yeah, I think we're kind of getting into Chop Fest. Wow, AMD dropped like a rock again. There's a big red candle.
AMD.
Yeah, you see the algos are just pushing stuff all over the place. Nvidia's or Tesla's turning into a chop fest. Oops, buying cues are heading lower. Maybe cues are going to retest low of day here. Possibly. Yeah. So it seems like it gets cold at night in Austin, but warms up quite a bit during the day.
Happy New Year, Trader Troy. Yeah, I love Arizona too. Arizona time zone is the same as Pacific time zone, yes? I think the Phoenix time zone is the same.
Phoenix? I
Yeah.
think I think sometimes it's the same. It depends. I don't think they do. I don't think they do daylight savings. So I think sometimes it's the same, and sometimes it's an hour ahead. Could be wrong in that. Don't quote me.
All right, NVIDIA, guys, I'm out of NVIDIA. If NVIDIA sells off, it doesn't look like a day that crazy volatility, but it makes a fire high higher low in 5 minutes. I want to be out of it, but it looks like it wants to go to 189. Let's see what Atlas is saying. Yeah, 189 is there, but it's still 188. There's some orders there too. So it's one of those environments that you really don't want to mess around. So it looks like it wants to pop to 189. Are you still long, Brian? I chickened out.
No, no, I stopped me out. Actually probably didn't get quite to where I was planning on stopping out, but I didn't like the price action, so I just got out of it, which wish I hadn't now. Okay, so maybe this is a double bottom on the Qs and the SPY here. You can move to Palm Springs or where Megan is.
Yeah, I need sun. Decided, I realized that sun. Sun is very important for our life.
Need your vitamin D.
Hey, the time zone doesn't bother me. It's okay waking up early in the morning. I like actually trading early in the morning. The sun is very important. Like I like to be in sun. And mountains, like Vancouver is nice in mountains, but I'm not going into the mountains anymore in Vancouver. Like I usually climb in Himalayas or I go to Alps. I haven't been into mountains in Coast Range years. Like it's been climbed.
Florida could be nice.
Florida is really nice too. Yeah.
You go visit Thor.
Yeah, maybe I should go and visit Thor. Hey, boss, my pivot bot, my pivot bot is trading. Is he here? Hey, boss, my pivot bot called the S3 to R3 reverse.
Gotta like Thor.
He's not here. Otherwise, he would have
Here
said,
we go. Here we go.
yeah.
And Nvidia's coming up now. And SPY doesn't look like there's any enthusiastic buyers with the SPY quite yet. And the AMD is just jumping all over the place.
And he's discussing. Nvidia still is making even though it's disgusting, it makes a higher high, higher low on a 5 minute. I mean, if we could have stayed in there, like it still is a uptrend.
Hmm.
Nvidia did 189. So see, there's big order 188, 189. It's gonna hit the 189.
Yeah.
Damn, Nvidia popped up to 189. Did you get back in there? No.
I'm trying a small long on SPY. As long as this level holds right at 685.50, just and the Qs are coming back up. So as long as we hold this low here, that's I'll stay with this. Just a very small risk. Wow, yeah, I think this is Nvidia came back up to touch the VWAP, and that's where it rejected.
Yeah, what's Qs are doing? Qs are garbage. Market is really flat though. Like I got a feeling that market has really no. I can feel that like it's before New Year, and the whole week was so flat. Like there's not much volatility.
Yeah, well, it's just a lack of volume.
Yeah. Well, I'm up $3,000. I'll take it. So the algos are working, but the thing is the volatility needs more than algos. Like NVIDIA trading is look like very algorithmic, but for good volatility, you need more, traders, more volume, more decisions in the market.
Yeah. I mean, we knew these last 2 weeks of the year were going to be lower
Scalp on
volume.
NVDA. I had three trades on NVDA. One is scalp right at the open, 1 minute open reach breakout with the help of Market Atlas. And then I went back in there. I lost some money in there. And we did with Brian, we did trade a double bottom on that, bounce back to 189, but it was a pretty small scalp. So overall, I made only $3,000. So that's my day. And I guess we're sitting with the rest of our positions here, sitting doing nothing. Market is really, really flat. Like it's